इशारे तेरे कंगने दे तरीके दिल मंगने दे मेरा भी दिल चोरी कीता फैन तेरा बन गया ये इशारे तेरे कंगने दे तरीके दिल मंगने दे मेरा भी दिल चोरी कीता फैन तेरा बन गया ये
सैया तेरी हर गल झूठियां तेरे हाथ विच किस दी अंगूठियां हर कुड़ी नाल वे तू गल करदा जा जा मैं तेरे नाल रूठियां Following my every move, and it don't matter what I do. You got me coming back on you. Maybe now I'm falling for
Baby तेरी
you.
smile priceless Baby तेरी dress backless ਲੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਆ ਤੇਰਾ necklace ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ impress Baby तेरी smile priceless Baby तेरी dress backless ਲੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਆ ਤੇਰਾ necklace ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ impress ਤੇਰਾ ਹੀ دیਵਾਨਾ ਆ ਇਹ ਜਾਣਦਾ ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਆ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ baby girl ਬਣ ਜਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਣਾ ਆ
मैं तेरे बारे सब जानदी तू छेड़े हर कुड़ी हड़दी तू मेरे पीछे गेड़ मारदा तेरे हाथ नहीं आना
ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਮਿਲਾ ਕੇ ਇਗਨੋਰ ਕਰਦੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੇਰੀ ਬੋਰ ਕਰਦੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਗੱਲ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਕਰਦੀ ਇਸ਼ਾਰੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਇਸ਼ਾਰੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੰਗਣੇ ਦੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦਿਲ ਮੰਗਣੇ ਦੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਵੀ ਦਿਲ ਚੋਰੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਫੈਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ
Following my every move, and it don't matter what I do. You got me coming back on you. Maybe now I'm falling. इशारे मेरे कंगने दे, तरीके दिल मंगने दे, मेरा भी दिल चोरी कितना.
Shale Tere right here on Namaste Radio 10:50 a.m. Hope you guys are enjoying the show so far. Technical difficulties beginning, but you know what? We're back. We are up. And no matter what, Namaste Radio is always here every Sunday from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. That's right. Live show is Sundays 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. But you can still listen to Namaste Radio 24/7 because you know why? We have NamasteRadioHouston.com. We also have an iPhone and Android app, which all you have to do is just go to the Apple Store or go to Google Play and download the app and listen to us. And also on Amazon Alexa products, just say, hey, Alexa, play Namaste Radio Live. Because after the show, music is going on 24/7. I have put the database with over thousands and thousands of songs from the classics to the latest hits today, all sorts of genres. So yes, Namaste Radio is always 24/7, even after the show. But yes, we come live with myself, Sushil Vanchika, every Sunday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. And that you can also listen to us on our platforms there. So plenty of ways to listen to our show on Sundays. But after the show too, don't forget that you have Namaste Radio playing music 24/7 for you guys. So do download our app. You can also listen to us on our website, NamasteRadioHouston.com. Or if you have an Amazon Alexa product, just say, hey Alexa, play Namaste Radio Live. Last song here we'll get into on this segment by Guru Randhawa was from the movie Dil Jangli with one of my favorite actresses, Taapsee. And this song is called Nach Le Na. It wasn't as popular as his other ones, but I think it should just, it still did pretty well. But that's a song too, which I like to listen to every now and then. Kind of gets me in the zone. But yeah, that's the thing about Guru. That's the thing about Badshah. That's the thing about Honey Singh. These guys are just, no matter what the situation is, these guys can just, with their music, can get you going at any time. After 2 o'clock, we'll get into some Bollywood news, and we'll get into an interview by ICC President Jasmeeta Singh. And after 3 o'clock, world and local news, special guest in the studio. Manjuda and myself will tell you who that is after this top of the hour break, which will come after I play this song, Nach Le Na, from Guru Randhawa, right here. Keep it locked here.
ਕਲਰ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਹਵਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਖਿਲਰ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਆ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਾਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਲਰ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਹਵਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਖਿਲਰ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਚੜ ਗਈ ਤੂੰ ਜੈਸੇ ਹੈ ਮਿਲਰ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੱਕ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ स्लोली पी सोनिए हो जाएंगी टल्ली शॉर्ट्स लगा के हॉट तू लगदी देख के दिल हुआ जंगली स्लोली पी सोनिए हो जाएंगी टल्ली शॉर्ट्स लगा के हॉट तू लगदी देख के दिल हुआ जंगली आ नोटी नोटी मार दी अख सोनिए सारियां नू पै गया शक सोनिए आ ਨੋਟੀ ਮਾਰਦੀ ਅੱਖ ਸੋਣੀਏ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ ਸ਼ੱਕ ਸੋਣੀਏ ਹਣਦੇ ਆ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚ ਸੋਣੀਏ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਚੱਕ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ
ਉੱਚੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਹੀਲ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਟਿਕਟੌਕ ਕਰਦੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਰਫਿਊਮ ਹੈ ਮੇਰਾ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੜਪਾਵੇ ਉੱਚੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਹੀਲ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਟਿਕਟੌਕ ਕਰਦੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਪਰਫਿਊਮ ਹੈ ਮੇਰਾ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੜਪਾਵੇ
ਹਾਏ ਜ਼ੁਲਫਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਹਾਈ ਨੀ ਪਫ ਸੋਣੀਏ ਹਾਂ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਲਾਲੇ ਨੇ ਕਸ਼ ਸੋਣੀਏ ਹਾਏ ਜ਼ੁਲਫਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਹਾਈ ਨੀ ਪਫ ਸੋਣੀਏ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਲਾਲੇ ਨੇ ਕਸ਼ ਸੋਣੀਏ ਆ ਤੋੜ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਬੋਤਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੱਚ ਸੋਣੀਏ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਪਰ ਤੱਕ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲੇ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ
ਨਜ਼ਰ ਪਰ ਤੱਕ ਲਾਂਗੀ ਆ ਦਿਲ ਤੇਰਾ ਰੱਖ ਲਾਂਗੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੱਚ ਲਾਂਗੀ
ਆ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ ਬੇਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਨੱਚ ਲੈਣਾ
Chilling out right here on Namaste Radio 1050 AM. Hope you enjoyed this segment. Just to recap, we did some songs by Yo-Yo Honey Singh, Bacha, and Guru Randhawa, the top 3 party rockers in India. And it's not just people of our my age as well, but it's also even the adults. Even when I DJ these events, adults say you have to play songs by, you know, Lungi Dance from Yo-Yo, or, you know, DJ Walla Babu from Bacha, or Guru Randhawa Suit Suit. So yes, all 3 of these artists definitely are always played at every single event. That's why I thought, let's do this first hour here on those 3 guys. But yes, after top of the hour, we are getting into some Bollywood news and also Bollywood birthdays, which is one of our favorite segments of Namaste Radio. And we have a special interview with Jasmeeta Singh, president of ICC Houston, and who is our special guest in the studio at 4 o'clock today. We will tell you that after top of the hour as well. Don't forget that you can also listen to Namaste Radio Houston.com on our website, on our iPhone and Android apps, on Amazon Alexa products, and also on our Namaste Radio Facebook live. See everything live here in the studio. And after the show today, after 5 p.m., Namaste Radio continues 24/7 with non-stop music hits from the classics from the 70s, 80s, 90s, early 2000s till the songs that release up till today. So yes, Namaste Radio is 24/7. Let's get into our top of the hour break. Back with some Bollywood segments right here on Namaste Radio 1050 AM. Keep it locked here.
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM. Modern Indian radio. Let's go! Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics to the latest hits. Local news and events happening around town. Giveaways and lots of masti. This is Namaste Radio. Every Sunday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on 1050 a.m. Studio line 713-984-1013. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone. Modern Indian Radio.
AM 1050, KCHN, Brookshire, Houston.
Allings would like to thank you for your support during the COVID-19 lockdown and express our highest gratitude to medical professionals and first responders who fight on to keep us safe. Allings is now open for safe distance dining with tables set at least 6 feet apart, following all guidelines and taking precautions for the safety of our guests and staff. See you at Allings for a delightful dining experience. Halal menu available. Visit us at allingschinese.com.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है। हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू स्वीट 701 पे। डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे। तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। जय श्री गणेश।
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः।
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog.
आ गया है महाराजा भोग में मैंगो फेस्टिवल। आमरस का स्वाद महाराजा भोग के साथ।
Different kinds of unlimited mango items on the menu every day.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes भी available हैं. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty. Only at Maharaja Bhog.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
What's that sound?
Oh no, it's my electricity bill. डर लगता है इसको खोलते हुए यार.
Me too.
You too?
Na you too, na me too. It's E2.
ये E2 क्या है?
E2 Power is your solution. They can help you to save money by finding the lowest energy rates, the best contract terms, and the right product.
Make E2 Power your trusted resource and power your business or home. E2 Power matches the best electricity plans at the best available rates.
E2 Power ensures they deliver competitive prices and full support at all stages of the process. Even if you need to transition to another supplier, don't worry. E2 Power can help you make that transition smoothly.
अरे वाह, पैसे भी बचाओ और टाइम भी बचाओ.
Call today E2 Power at 832-390-2291. That's 832-390-2291 or visit e2powerhub.com.
कोई बात नहीं सेन्योरिटा, कोई बात नहीं. बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
You're listening to Namaste Radio.
Powered by E2 Power.
Welcome back to Namaste Radio on 1050 AM, NamasteRadioHouston.com, on our iPhone, Android apps, Amazon Alexa products. Just say, hey, Alexa, play Namaste Radio live. And watch us live here in the studio. The beautiful colors we have here in the studio. And beautiful people. Right here on our Namaste Radio's Facebook Live. I am now joined by Ab Sabki favorite, Vanchika. Hello.
नमस्ते एवरीवन एंड नमस्ते संदीप, कैसे हैं आप?
हम ठीक हैं, हम बहुत ठीक हैं.
आप ठीक हो? आपका फर्स्ट 1 बजे से 2 बजे का जो आवर था, बहुत मजे किए मैंने भी. क्योंकि कभी कभी पार्टी मोड सॉन्ग सुनना मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Exactly. And those three I think are like the kings of party music.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Very good segment.
Thank
And
you.
आपको हैप्पी संडे.
Happy Sunday. I was like, wait, what festival is today? But it's just a
आज
positive
संडे का
Sunday.
फेस्टिवल है.
Yeah.
यस, सो हैप्पी संडे.
Happy Sunday.
एंड जी हाँ चारू, आपको भी नमस्ते.
Namaste, Charu. I'm gonna say hi to my niece and nephew, Sonam and Samit. They're listening as well.
Hi
Nice.
Sonam, hi Samit. It was nice FaceTiming you yesterday.
Oh yeah, they were happy to get
Yeah.
to talk to some of my friends. Right?
Yes.
Oh. Well, yes, how's your weekend been?
वीकेंड बहुत अच्छा था. एंड सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बता दूं दैट आज सुशील नहीं आ पाएंगे. Of course we will miss him, but he is on a very big duty. Yes, so we have recently been blessed.
Nice.
हम फाइनली एक बहुत ही क्यूट फर बेबी के पेरेंट्स बन चुके हैं. So yay, congratulations to me and Sushil.
Congratulations.
So yes, he wanted to be here, लेकिन you know last minute काफी कुछ we have to prepare for the baby to welcome the baby in the house. I mean he is there already, but बहुत naughty है, बहुत शरारती है, तो उसकी naughtiness को control करने के लिए काफी चीजें करनी पड़ रही है. And Sushil is on daddy duty today.
Daddy duty. Well, congratulations. I'm very happy. Can't wait to meet him.
थैंक यू. एंड हमारे बॉलीवुड से कहीं ना कहीं इंस्पायर होके उसका नाम है, एक्चुअली उसका नाम हॉलीवुड से इंस्पायर होके है. लेकिन बाद में हमने रियलाइज किया, अरे वाह, हमारे रणवीर सिंह भी तो हैं.
That's the first. When you told me his name, that's the first thing I thought. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, but,
So I was the way he looks, I was very inspired by his looks. So we named him Simba. एंड बाद में मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि यार रणवीर सिंह ने भी तो सिम्बा का रोल किया. सो यस, तो ये इस वजह से आज सुशील नहीं आ पाएंगे, लेकिन हम अपना शो आगे बढ़ाते हैं, बहुत सारी मस्ती करेंगे. एंड सबसे पहले इनके बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी, बिकॉज 2 बज रहे हैं, लंच का टाइम है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट महाराजा भोग. बहुत ही बढ़िया जगह है, जाके विजिट कीजिए, खाइए, अपने में एक एक्सपीरियंस है. आई नो वो लोग बहुत अच्छे केयरफुली सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेजर्स ले रहे हैं, हर टेबल पे सैनिटाइजर है. तो प्लीज़ विजिट महाराजा भोग एट 8338 साउथ वेस्ट फ्रीवे. डाइन इन ओपन है. और उनका मैंगो फेस्टिवल चल रहा है, तो हर रोज़ अलग अलग किस्म के मैंगो की डिशेस एंजॉय कीजिए आपकी अनलिमिटेड थाली में. और अगर आप खाना पका के थक गए हैं, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग घर से भी काम कर रहे हैं, सो यू कैन ऑर्डर एनी वेजिटेबल by the pound. So if you have like 5 members, तो आप 2 पाउंड के 3-4 सब्जियां ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. उनका नंबर है 713-771-2464, और visit them on their Facebook page, which is Maharaja Bhog. जी हाँ.
right. Yeah, just looking at that thali just got me hungry.
I
All
know.
the restaurants we do, like Narans and Alings and Nirmans and Maharaja Bhog, are just like, a nice thali on this studio table right now would be.
It'll be nice, right?
Yeah, definitely. But let's kick off the Bollywood segment here. Let's start with a song. We'll tell you more about it and what's coming up, and some news in Bollywood to keep it locked here. Namaste Radio, 1050.
मेरे सिम्बा के लिए गाना.
I was just thinking that when I was just about to play. Welcome.
Welcome, Simba.
right. So क्या एंट्री मारी?
क्या एंट्री मारी, एग्जैक्टली एंट्री मार चुका है वो. लेकिन हम आगे बढ़ते हैं बॉलीवुड गपशप के साथ.
So what's up? What's going on?
Well, बॉलीवुड में इस वीक अगेन बॉलीवुड लॉस्ट अनदर सेलिब्रिटी एंड काफ़ी लोग इन्हें सूरमा भोपाली के नाम से जानते हैं. If you are a Sholay fan and you've seen Bollywood movies for a really long time, तो और बहुत सारे लोग इन्हें नावेद और जावेद जाफरी के फादर के नाम से भी जानते हैं, बिकॉज हमारे जनरेशन में जावेद जाफरी इज वन वेरी फेमस एक्टर, राइट? His dancing and Naved and Javed together because of the Boogie Woogie show. If you grew up in India and you didn't see the reality dance show Boogie Woogie, तब तुम हमारे जनरेशन के हो ही नहीं.
No, I've seen it.
Yes, तो तुम तो हो ही ना हमारे जनरेशन के. So I am talking about Bollywood actor Jagdeep. He passed away on Wednesday in Mumbai, and age-related health issues, nothing to do with COVID-19. उनका असली नाम था नासिर खान.
Nasir Khan.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
but definitely seen him in a lot of movies.
Yeah, sure. And वो famous वही, मुझे honestly famous वही याद थी, सुरमा भोपाली in रमेश सिप्पी शोले.
Sholay.
जी हाँ.
I don't remember what scenes.
अभी मैं उसका डायलॉग जानती हूँ, बट मैं बोलूंगी नहीं, बिकॉज इफ आई से इट I'll sound really funny.
I think
I wish I know.
Because he loves, as much as he loves Sholay, like man.
Yeah, I think he's seen Sholay like I've seen कुछ कुछ होता है.
That much. Wow.
जी हाँ.
Wow.
लेकिन हाँ, एक और गाने से पहले आपकी पीसी की कोई न्यूज़ है? पीसी
मेरा पीसी is like, why is it my PC?
एक टाइम पे तो थी, अब शादी हो गई तो तुमने दिल से निकाल दिया उसे.
Just like from her to others, I moved from Windows to PC to Mac now.
Oh, that PC. Okay.
Yeah.
Now she's PCJ.
PC. That's right, PCJ.
हाँ, तो क्या है न्यूज़, आप ही बता दो संदीप.
So yes, PCJ now will be part of those of you that have been itching for that series to come back, which was Keanu Reeves, who actually he donated like about 75% of his income from that movie to the CGI graphics and all that, so they could expand it more.
Oh wow, I didn't know
make it
that.
Even bigger. Yes.
Wow.
That's how insane this guy is. But yes, Keanu Reeves is now going to be with PCJ on The Matrix 4.
अब PCJ कौन है?
Priyanka Chopra. Jonas.
कितना दर्द हुआ, कितना दुख हुआ तुम्हारे दिल में उसका जोनस बोलते हुए. But yes, quite a proud moment.
Yeah, definitely.
Because Matrix is definitely one of my favorite movies. बचपन से Matrix and एक legendary movie है यार.
You've seen all three of them?
Yes.
I don't remember.
And a lot of times. बहुत time.
I remember the first one. I have to recall. I guess before this comes out, I'll go watch. I'll do a marathon.
Yes, I think I need to do that too, because I don't think I've seen any of them in the last at least 7-8 years.
Yeah.
But definitely the first one was my favorite.
First one. I just remember there was I think it was the second or third where they just felt like it was just overdone.
Same thing like Transformers, right?
Yeah.
The first one was so good and you go like, wow.
Yeah. Even Transformers, even the second one to me was not bad. But then I felt like third, fourth, five, it was like, whoa.
बहुत कुछ हो रहा था.
Where are you going with
The phone was phone also became a transformer.
Yeah.
I mean,
exactly.
everything was becoming a transformer.
Right.
So yeah.
It's great. Congrats to her and continuing to do big things and just keep going. But that I'll give it to her though. She keeps going. She never stops.
True. So. She is doing things what none of the other Indian actors have done in the past. Yeah, I'm not saying it's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm just saying she's done stuff that none of the Indian actors have done.
That's right. Definitely. So let's get into the next song here. We'll get into some more Bollywood news right here on Namaste Radio. 10:50 a.m. Why is this song being played? We'll tell you that in a few minutes. Keep it locked here.
रातों की मेरी नींद उड़ाई गई, नशे में तेरे मुझको डुबाई गई, ऐसे मुझे घूरे तू काय को कई झूठे वादे करके पलाई गई, ना जाने कितनों को रुलाई गई, और ठुमकों से दिल को चुराई गई, आजा तुझे लेके चल चाय को ओ सैया सैया वे ओ ससुर सैया वे न छोड़ कलैया मोर के भैया
तेरी ओर
ओ सैया सैया रे मैं तेरा सिपैया रे जो पकड़ू कलैया छोड़ न लेके आजा तेरे भाई को
आया मोरा सैया साइको
Psycho Saiya right here on Namaste Radio 1050 AM with आप सबकी favorite Vanchika and Houston's Dolly Deep right here on Namaste Radio 1050 AM. This part of the show here is brought to you by the delicious Narins Bombay Brasserie. Are open for dine-in. Of course, social distancing measures are in full effect. And they are also available for pickup or delivery. They have tons of delicious items that you know and love. And buffet to go option is also available. You can order delivery through Grubhub, DoorDash, or Favor. Call them today, 713-622-2005. That's 713-622-2005. Located at 3005 West Loop South. Like them on Facebook and Instagram, The Bombay Brasserie. Visit their website, thebombaybrasserie.com. Or on Facebook and Instagram, it's called Narins Bombay Brasserie. But their website is called thebombaybrasserie.com. 713-622-2005. That's 713-622-2005. Back now with more news in Bollywood. What is something you've been watching? What is on your list now of watching? Well, now, of course, now with the new addition of your family, you might not get much time. But,
yeah, that's what I was thinking. I said I haven't seen anything in the last 48 hours. Except इसको बाहर लेके चलो अंदर लेके आओ बाहर लेके चलो अंदर लेके आओ खाना खिलाओ बाहर लेके चलो अंदर लेके आओ
Yeah.
But it's a blessing.
Yeah,
लेकिन उससे पहले we saw the series on I think it's on Netflix or Prime. One of those. Sushil may know better.
Yeah.
It's called Raspberry.
Right.
And,
when you first told me the name, it didn't click. But when I saw the picture, I said, "Oh yes, I have heard of it."
Heard about it? Yeah. It stars Swara Bhaskar. The देखो तो हर लड़की pretty लगती है. मतलब that's like a description of every girl. It's just pretty.
Yeah.
It's just pretty.
Mm-hmm. Nice to look at.
DJ Dolly Deep, she's pretty. So yes, what was one of her favorite, famous movies, so that people know who we're talking about?
Supporting roles in like Tanu Weds Manu. She was in Veere the Wedding with the.
Yes. So Veere the Wedding में one of her friend थी और Tanu Weds Manu में भी जो जो सरदारनी बनती है.
Yeah. So those, which other ones?
And if you're watching us on Facebook Live, आप देख सकते हैं poster. So it's about getting fascinated by your teacher, a young boy, but there's a lot to it. It's kind of it's a comedy series also. Some interesting stuff, but at the end of it, मेरा personal belief था that अगर मैंने ये नहीं भी देखी होती तो मेरी life ठीक थी. You see?
So is it that bad or is it like?
No, it's okay. I mean, watch at your own risk, kind of.
Okay, so just watch it like if there's nothing else.
Yeah, just watch for entertainment. Like
if you haven't seen anything.
Yeah, I kind of guessed the ending पहले ही. Like I was like, Sushil, देख लेना Sushil, and he's like, okay, देख लेंगे. And then end में वैसे हुआ.
Okay.
But yeah, अगर आपके पास time है extra तो आप जरूर देखिए रस भरी.
Is that her name? What does that mean?
One of the characters she's playing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she has two characters in the series, and one of the characters is Raspberry.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Besides that, let's see if anybody else can tell us what movies she was in. But either on Facebook Live or you can call us here. But I know, the two I know for sure is Veere the Wedding, which I never saw, but I know she's part of that group of girls. And then...
You didn't see Veere the Wedding?
No, I didn't see it.
It's like a girls movie. उसमें तो हर लड़की सुंदर है. Sonam Kapoor, Kareena Kapoor, Swara Bhaskar, and the fourth one, I don't know her name. It's more like FOMO shots, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a chick flick, yeah.
Sex in the City.
Yeah, kind of, yeah. But very recent. आजकल की जो life होती है वैसे है. It is true. I've had friends like that, so it's true. लेकिन आगे बढ़ते हैं और इनको बताते हैं कि हमने साइको सैया गाना क्यों बजाया प्रभास का.
Yes. Why did we play that?
Why did we play that?
Because those of you that are diehard Prabhas fans, right?
Me.
He actually just announced something new on his social media, and what was that? What's the name of the?
So the name, it's his next upcoming movie, and they released just a poster, and I'm not sure. It had some maybe millions and millions of views in less than 24 hours. It also stars one of the top. She's a Bollywood actress, but top Telugu actress,
Right.
Pooja Hegde.
Yeah.
And the name of the upcoming movie is Radhe Shyam. And अगर आप हमें Facebook Live में देख रहे हैं, you can see the posters.
So
3.8 million, tweets.
3.8 million tweets on a single hashtag. Wow.
Yeah.
That's
And
just
this
powerful.
was like 2 days back, Deep.
Yeah. I
When-
wonder how much it is now.
I wonder how much it is now.
But yeah, so actually now people realize how important hashtags are, because that's
Trending
look at
is very important.
Trending is very important. It's easier to see hashtags on Twitter and Instagram.
Yeah.
I know you're not on Twitter.
I am on Twitter.
Oh, you are on Twitter.
I'm just not active on Twitter.
Yeah,
It's too old school for me.
you know when I actually joined Twitter, I joined it because I knew Priyanka was big on Twitter.
Yeah, that's the only
back then.
reason I am on Twitter, because I follow few people on Twitter.
Yeah, that's why I use it too.
But
I'm-
honestly, जब से Instagram आया है, I do follow all of them on Instagram, and it's kind of the same thing.
It's kind of the same thing.
Yeah.
But yes, Radhe Shyam has been announced by. Obviously, it must be next year, right?
Absolutely. And now with things going like with the things in India, I don't know what is the future of movies being released. But Prabhas looks really good in that poster, and of course Pooja Hegde is a pretty girl too.
So just hoping that it's. I actually, when I first heard reviews about Saho, then people are like, "Oh yeah," I guess because he has the expectations for Prabhas were probably just incredibly high.
He's
right?
Bahubali.
I know,
यार,
right?
मतलब
Yeah.
कोई मजाक हो रहा है Bahubali.
But when I actually, so the reviews were like mixed. Some were like, it's okay. Some were like, not for Prabhas. I actually saw it and I thought it wasn't bad. It was okay.
Yeah.
Decent movie.
It was okay, but I think I dozed off for 1 hour, and then after I woke up when they're revealing that he's Saho.
Yeah.
So I'm like, क्या हुआ? So she's like, yeah, you didn't miss anything. It's okay. And remember, I was like upset with you, but I was like, you guys cannot watch this movie alone, and then someone ended up watching the movie alone.
I watched it at home after it came out on
Was it it was not Saho? It was some other movie.
Oh, I can't remember which
No,
one.
you
I
went to
watched
theater and watched Saho.
No, I did not see Saho.
No? Okay.
No, I saw it at home.
Yeah, even I saw it at home later because of the reviews. But otherwise, I had really high hopes because of the Bahubali series.
I think everybody did, yeah. It has. But hopefully this one is better than that one. It seems interesting.
Yep.
But that's just the power of Prabhas, right? You can release something and it goes viral like that.
That's true. And now that I'm more familiar with the Telugu movie industry, so I know who Charan, Bunny, and Prabhas, all of them.
Yeah.
So I went back and saw the Prabhas, Rana, and the Bahubali directors Rajmouli's interview on Coffee with Karan. And then I connected more with what they were
But I think
saying.
Saho, he actually spoke in Hindi, right, for the first time.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Like, you could tell a little bit. But I
Yeah.
was like, his Hindi is definitely better than mine. That's for sure.
Yeah, but you can tell, yeah.
Yeah. But let's get into the next song here.
और ये किसको
And
dedicate होता है?
This is going out to the very, very cute Siddhi.
Siddhi! जी हाँ, that was Bala from Houseful 4 dedicated to Siddhi from Deep and me. And हमें फटाफट सिद्धि का बाला डांस करते हुए वीडियो भी मिल गया. सिद्धि, you danced amazing. I mean, I love when you dance.
I gotta take lessons from you.
Especially the bala step. No one does it as good as Siddhi.
Yeah, definitely.
So आगे बढ़ते हैं अब, and we will definitely talk about so much more. And like Deep has been saying, we have two very special guests today. One is Jasmeeta Singh from ICC. She's the president of ICC Houston.
Right. ICC Houston.
And बहुत सारे, she's been involved in the community for so long, done so much. So we'll talk to her. And then, whom do we have coming in the studio?
Well, we have very, very talented, very down-to-earth, one of the most professional people I've ever worked with, had the opportunity to
I
work
agree.
with. And if you just saw the recent high-rated mashup, I love her intro that she had, how the camera just zooms in on her. She's standing, facing the other way, then she turns around and shows her.
I don't know if I can use the word on air, which I used to describe her on my post, on Instagram. But that's what exactly. Amazing. She looks beautiful.
Definitely. And I'm talking about Arzan from Rhythm India, and she will be in studio with us today.
Absolutely, at 4 o'clock, people.
That's right. Really
so
looking forward to
yes, and one word I know about Arzan when it comes to professionalism is no. Zero tolerance to nonsense.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
That's what I love about her.
Yeah.
But we are looking forward to talking to both of them, and we will see them very soon here and talk to them at 2:45 with Jasmeeta ji, right?
2:45, Jasmeeta. Arzan will be in studio at 4 o'clock.
Okay, and this part of the show is brought to you by Classy Diva Salon and Spa. We know they are closed for the month of July. लेकिन अगर आपका कोई इम्पॉर्टेंट अपॉइंटमेंट है, आपको कोई इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ के लिए लगता है कि आपको उनके सर्विस की ज़रूरत है, डू नॉट हेजिटेट, कॉल रूबी. शी इज़ रेडी टू टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल योर नीड्स with all the safety equipments on. पूरा safety gear पहन के आएंगी वो, और आपको सज धज के exactly अगर आप Facebook live में उनकी फ़ोटो देख रहे हैं, पूरा अगर आप दुल्हन, आपकी शादी हो रही है तो मास्क वास्क पूरा लगा के आएंगी. So call her or text her at 856-693-8970. Classy Diva Salon and Spa is located at 937 South Mason Road in Katy. I will repeat that number again. 856-693-8970. Do text her, and she's very good with her response. She will text you back immediately.
That's right. Just like Vanchika said, we are getting to that portion of the show where we will be speaking with President of ICC Houston, Jasmeeta Singh. And we'll also get into, right after this break, one of our favorite parts of the show, Bollywood birthdays. That's all coming up right here on Namaste Radio 1050 AM. Coming up to our next entertainment break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back right after this.
Namaste Radio, powered by E2 Power.
Keep it locked.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog.
आ गया है महाराजा भोग में मैंगो फेस्टिवल. आमरस का स्वाद महाराजा भोग के साथ.
Different kinds of unlimited mango items on the menu every day.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes भी available हैं. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty. Only at Maharaja Bhog. Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Allings would like to thank you for your support during the COVID-19 lockdown and express our highest gratitude to medical professionals and first responders who fight on to keep us safe. Allings is now open for safe distance dining with tables set at least 6 feet apart, following all guidelines and taking precautions for the safety of our guests and staff. See you at Allings for a delightful dining experience. Halal menu available. Visit us at allingschinese.com.
What's that sound?
Oh no, it's my electricity bill. डर लगता है इसको खोलते हुए यार.
Me too.
You too?
Na you too, na me too. It's E2.
ये E2 क्या है?
E2 Power is your solution. They can help you to save money by finding the lowest energy rates, the best contract terms, and the right product.
Make E2 Power your trusted resource and power your business or home. E2 Power matches the best electricity plans at the best available rates.
E2 Power ensures they deliver competitive prices and full support at all stages of the process. Even if you need to transition to another supplier, don't worry. E2 Power can help you make that transition smoothly.
अरे वाह, पैसे भी बचाओ और टाइम भी बचाओ.
Call today E2 Power at 832-390-2291. That's 832-390-2291 or visit e2powerhub.com.
వింటూ ఉండండి మీ ఇష్టమైన మ్యూజిక్ ఛానల్ నమస్తే రేడియో.
Welcome back to Namaste Radio on 1050 AM and NamasteRadioHouston.com, on our iPhone and Android app, on Amazon Alexa products, and watch us live here in the studio on our Namaste Radio Facebook page. Myself and Upsupki favorite Bunchika live for you on this Sunday afternoon. This part of the show, bottom of the hour, is brought to you by somebody very, very positive who gives us his blessings all the time and a lot of positivity. Gauri Siddhivinayak Temple of Houston, located at 5645 Hillcroft Avenue, Suite 701. The temple is open, but please, when you go to the temple, please wear a mask, and social distancing measures are in full effect. Again, that is Gauri Siddhivinayak Temple, located at Hillcroft Avenue, Suite 701. Phone number for Pandit Pradeep Pandya is 832-466-9868. That's 832-466-9868. And visit the website siddhivinayakhhouston.org. Again, that is 832-466-9868. Please wear a mask when you go to temple. Again, 832-466-9868.
That's right. And Sandeep, मैं बताना चाहती हूँ, because I had to get Simba home, I went there on Thursday to get his blessings.
Right.
आजकल ज़माना देखो कैसे बदल गया है. जब मैं पहले निकलती थी तो पंडित जी के पैर छू के प्रसाद मिलता था, अभी आप पैर तो छू नहीं सकते क्योंकि आप सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग कर रहे हैं. लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे चलते हुए दी है ये सैनिटाइजर की बोतल एज अ प्रसाद. सो यस, थैंक यू पंडित जी, आप हमारे सेफ्टी का ख्याल रखते हैं. यस, और उन्होंने हम दोनों को, हाँ, हम तीनों के लिए ये बॉटल दी और बोला कि इसमें ही अब आशीर्वाद है और आप ज़रूर यूज़ करिए और मास्क पहनिए.
That's right. That's the new trend now, right?
हाँ, नमस्ते पंडित जी, नमस्ते. सुन रहे हैं आप, आपके मैसेज जब आता है तो पता चल जाता है आप सुन रहे हैं.
A lot of positivity in the air.
जी हाँ, एंड बहुत अच्छा है. सब लोग जाइए ज़रूर मंदिर गौरी सिद्धिविनायक टेम्पल एंड पंडित जी को कॉल करिए, बिकॉज यही टाइम है. अगर आपको घर पे पूजा करानी है तो घर पे सब मास्क वास्क पहन के भी आते हैं और फिर आफ्टर दैट वर्चुअल भी पूजा करते हैं. सो सब कुछ, हर चीज़ का इंतज़ाम है.
That's right. Now we move on to the next segment. Before we get into the interview with Jasmeeta Singh, we have one of our favorite segments of the show. It's called Bollywood
Birthdays.
That's right. So first one on this week. Only very few birthdays this coming week, but
solid.
But solid birthdays. Yes, definitely. This one, this actress, beautiful actress here.
देखा इसको हर लड़की ब्यूटीफुल लगती है, but this one is truly beautiful. She is.
She's made her debut, I think, mid 2000s around.
That's right.
And she was launched by Salman Khan, right?
भाइयों के भाई.
भाइयों के भाई.
हाँ.
And the first movie she came in with was both Salman and Sohail Khan.
Actually, the first movie she came was with Amitabh Bachchan.
That was that very.
But you don't want to
bad
talk
one.
about
Yeah,
that,
no,
right?
exactly.
Yeah, we don't want to talk about that.
That one, no.
Yeah.
Then
always
movie
uplift another woman.
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया?
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया? Was that her first movie?
I think that was. Yeah.
Okay.
That was the launch.
जी
The
हाँ.
song Just Chill.
Just chill.
Exactly.
That was 2005 यार. 5. कितनी पुरानी बात है.
Yep, we're talking about the gorgeous Katrina Kaif.
Katrina Kaif, and is this her COVID-19 look that you've taken a picture?
Yeah, probably.
Huh?
Yeah, probably.
Looks like ना घर पे. She's been sharing so many videos of her, she and her sister cleaning the house, dishes, and I'm glad because आजकल बहुत सारे house help के वजह से काफी cases फैल रहे हैं. And we will definitely talk about that in the next hour. But yes, we are talking about Katrina Kaif. उनका birthday है July 16.
Yeah, that's this coming Thursday.
Yes.
After the
Happy
tax
birthday to our Sheila.
Sheila Kijo. I think that was the first one where we were like, okay, now she can dance. Like her dancing skills have gotten amazing.
I was in an awe when I saw Kamali. Oh
That's
my
actually
God.
the song I was about to get to. I'm playing that in a bit.
Oh wow, okay.
But yeah, further Sheila Ki Jawani, then what was that? Agnipat one? Chikni Chameli.
Ai chickni chame मुझे अच्छा लगा.
I liked it. Right.
Yeah, you can like it.
But yeah, no, hands down, when I was in theater watching Doom 3, my eyes and my mouth were just like, what is going on? Like, this is amazing. Kamali, when she...
As much as I don't like the song by itself, Kamali, but every time I am flipping channels, if I'm ever watching TV or on social media, YouTube, whatever, I stop by this song just because of how this woman has looked. Every cut on her body is perfect, yaar.
That's right.
And it's like an inspiration. अरे यार क्या motivation मिलता है इसको देख
And
के.
then another one I really liked of hers, which was Kala Chashma. I played that earlier.
Oh, that's my song, Kala
That's it,
Chashma. Sushil and my song. Actually, when you played it in the first hour, I was driving, and I was like, "Yeah, that's what we danced to."
Yep, that's right. So Katrina Kaif's birthday, July 16th. We'll get into her track right here. Keep it locked here. I'm just imagining the Kamali steps right now.
अच्छा संदीप,
Yeah.
मुझे लगा तुम काम कर रहे हो. मुझे नहीं पता तुम यहाँ पे बैठे बैठे ये सब इमेजिन कर रहे हो.
It motivates me, right? I think about those beautiful things in my mind. And then
Those beautiful things. Okay then.
family show, no? I have to keep it like, you know.
Yes, it is a
Happy.
family show.
Yeah, exactly.
लेकिन कोई बात नहीं संदीप, हमें भी पता है तुम्हारे दिल के अरमान, एंड भगवान करे तुम्हारे ये अरमान बहुत जल्दी पूरे हों, तुम्हें भी एक कटरीना कैफ जैसी सोनी कुड़ी मिले, यू नो.
Yeah.
स्माइल नहीं दी, मतलब मिल गई है इसको.
No.
नहीं मिली है.
You would know.
Yes.
You have to, has to go through you, right?
Absolutely. पहले मैं देखूंगी, फिर तो अंकल और दादी तक पहुंचेगी.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे levels हैं.
Yeah.
जुमानजी level 1, 2, 3 बहुत होगा.
Oh, look who's listening. Our Houston ka Don, according to him.
Who?
But no, he is a good. Midu.
Oh, Midu बहुत बड़ा डॉन है यार.
That's right.
Hi Midu, hope you're doing good and staying safe.
He is, definitely. But
हाँ, उसका recently birthday भी था ना?
Yeah, like
हाँ.
couple 2-3 weeks ago.
हाँ,
Yeah.
happy birthday Midu.
Happy birthday, belated.
हाँ, ह्यूस्टन का वो बहुत ही फेवरेट है बंदा. सब you know, everybody always has high regards for Midu all the time.
Yeah. He's like, according to no, you are Houston ka Don. Okay. No.
अच्छा, संदीप है ह्यूस्टन का डॉन. हाँ, ये भी है.
No.
What? Oh, I am Houston का डॉन?
No, I think according to him, he's Don. I'm Don too.
Oh, he's Don too. Okay.
Yeah, I'm Don too.
Got it. चलो तुम लोग जो बोलो मैं मानने को रेडी हूँ. बट आगे बढ़ते हैं और बर्थडे का सिलसिला कंटिन्यू करते हैं. बिफोर वी विल बी इन द नेक्स्ट 3 minutes वी विल बी टॉकिंग टू जसमीता जी, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ICC ह्यूस्टन, इंडिया कल्चर सेंटर ह्यूस्टन. एंड जो ये अगला बर्थडे है वो अगर बहुत लोग जानते हैं बिहारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, या बिहार की जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है उनके ये सुपरस्टार हैं और ये बॉलीवुड के भी सुपरस्टार हैं. इनका नाम है रवि किशन. हाँ जी हाँ, इनकी फोटो अगर आप फेसबुक लाइव पे देख रहे हैं. He did a great job at Big Boss 1 also. He was there with Rakhi Sawant and all of them. I enjoyed that Big Boss, yeah, the first Big Boss, which I think Rahul Roy won. तो अभी हम रवि किशन का बर्थडे है जुलाई 17 को.
July 17th, that's Friday. Yeah.
So सुशील का मैसेज आया है. सुशील का मैसेज ये आया है कि आस्क मीदू कि कौन है ह्यूस्टन का डॉन.
So who is the
मीदू ही भाई बताएंगे कौन है ह्यूस्टन का डॉन. ये सुशील और मीदू के बीच की बातें ये दोनों ही जाने. एंड दादी ने लिखा है इवन शी इज वेटिंग फॉर योर दुल्हनिया.
Of course she's gonna.
She is.
But so I don't have unfortunately I don't have a Bihari song. Actually he was just in this Arjun, not Arjun. Whoever is a John Abraham fan is going to be mad at me for comparing Arjun and John together. I got mixed up between the two. John Abraham's movie Batla House.
Yes.
He's the one who gets shot. Right?
I think so. I'm not sure.
Yeah, Ravi.
But he's been there in lot of movies. अभी एकदम से याद नहीं आ रही है, लेकिन यार रवि किशन बॉलीवुड का बहुत बड़ा एक्टर है एंड बिहारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का भी बहुत बड़ा एक्टर है.
Yeah, exactly. But so Mido has a request, and unfortunately I don't have a Bihari song. But this kind of, I guess you could say this fits his birthday category, right?
Yes.
So it is, of course, the one. I think this guy has promoted this song even a million times. 5 million of those views are probably all from Mido.
Probably.
Yeah. But that's Peg. So happy birthday, Ravi. I guess whenever we meet him, we can have a drink.
And इससे पहले एक जोक है सुशील ने हमारे ग्रुप में भेजा है that दीप की सारी गर्लफ्रेंड्स को भी उसकी दुल्हनिया का वेट है.
Yeah. Okay.
He's like okay.
Yeah.
But yes, getting at the song and then talking to Jasmeeta ji very soon. वेलकम बैक एवरीवन। वो था एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा गाना हमारे अपने डीजे डोली दीप का। मैं हूँ वंशिका और मेरे साथ आज हैं संदीप, ऑल्सो नोन एज हमारे प्यारे डोले वाले डीजे डोली दीप। और अब वक्त आ चुका है जिस घड़ी का हम सबको इंतज़ार था पिछले जब से आज शो शुरू हुआ है और 2-3 दिन से। वी आर गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग टू अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी ग्रेसफुल, हम बोल सकते हैं हमारे ह्यूस्टन की टैलेंट की भरमार और वेरी ब्यूटिफुल लेडी। उनको देख के हमेशा ऐसा लगता है हम भी बन ठन के थोड़ा मेकअप वेकअप लगा के आएँ और हमेशा तैयार होके आएँ। शी हैज़ many feathers on her hat. Many. At least जब से मैं इन्हें जानती हूँ। CEO भी हैं जैज़ एंटरटेनमेंट की। इट्स एन इंटरनेशनल फैशन एंटरटेनमेंट प्रोडक्शन कंपनी एंड बहुत टाइम से इन्होंने कम्युनिटी के लिए अलग अलग ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के साथ बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें करी हैं। एंड टुडे वी विल टॉक टू हर अबाउट हर एंड ऑफ कोर्स the organization she is representing today, which is India Culture Center, Houston. And it's my honor and I'm very proud to even announce that she is the president of India Culture Center, Houston. Welcome, Jasmeeta ji. Welcome to Namaste Radio.
Oh, thank you so much for inviting me to Namaste Radio and your support to ICC. I mean, it is such a great pleasure for me to be here today. And thank you, Sandeep and Vanshika. You both are marvelous, and I've been hearing you for a long period of time, and you guys rock.
Thank you so
Thank you so much, Jasmeeta ji. Again, welcome. और please हमें बताइए अब आज ICC के बारे में to start with.
Okay. So I would just say that ICC is India Culture Center, and it is a 501c non-profit organization. And it's incorporated in June 1973. इतना old organization है ये.
Wow.
And yes, and it is to promote, educate, and unite the India's diversified and rich cultures and the values of India to benefit. And we serve all the communities in Greater Houston, and we do involve youth, children, seniors, and all women. So, and we have been serving for last 47 years. And then to add to it, we are the sole entity in Houston who is doing mass events. I know आपको पता ही होगा. You have been attending so many events in Houston for so many years. And guess what? All of our events are all free. Yeah, because we feel that this should not cost anyone a dime to be associated with our motherland, India, right?
Bilkul.
So these all events are all free, and we are touching so many hearts. We are in the memories of love of our motherland, and we are the only entity, which I'm very proud of, ICC, that we are the only entity responsible for hosting 2 preeminent events that celebrates, Independence Day on August 15th, and India's Republic Day on January 26th. And these all, both of those events are open to public, and they are attended by world-class leaders and elected officials from state to county to local levels. And these are, people who make policies. So I'm really proud of this to say that I'm associated with India Culture Center, and I'm a president of India Culture Center this year, 2020. Yes.
Wonderful, Jasmeeta ji. Thank you so much for sharing all that. And yes, like you said, every time I have attended, चाहे वो Republic Day हो या फिर वो Independence Day हो, for all these years, I would say, I mean, if I can remember personally, it's 20 years that I have been here, and all these 20 years, बिना रोके हर साल ये इवेंट्स हुए हैं. फ्री पार्किंग, फ्री एंट्रेंस एंड एंटायर डे लॉन्ग इवेंट रहता है जिसमें इट्स अ फैमिली इवेंट. सो आप पूरा दिन आएँ, बच्चों के साथ आएँ, मज़े करें. स्टेज पे शो, बच्चे फैशन शो, आप कितने बार आपने फैशन शो करवाया है, एंड पूरा एंटरटेनमेंट आपने संभाला है इतने साल. एंड उसके साथ साथ लॉट ऑफ बिग नेम्स आर ऑल्सो एसोसिएटेड विद दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. आई मीन पर्सनली इफ आई नो स्वपन धैर्यवान जी हैं, निशा मिरानी जी हैं, एंड देयर सो मेनी अदर पीपल दैट आई मे नॉट बी रिमेंबरिंग और टेकिंग द नेम्स. बट ICC सच अ, बोलते हैं ना, हर घर में ICC के बारे में लोगों को पता है. सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस अगेन आपको और सबको ICC के लिए.
Thank you so much, Vanshika. Yes, we have been. I joined ICC in 2009. So it's been so many years now with me also. I mean, I was a director, then I was on the executive board, and then I was a trustee. And now, I'm so proud to be president. And this is the legacy we want to continue, bringing all the good shows and bringing all the valuable value to this organization. Yes.
Absolutely. And we have seen, this year especially after COVID-19, in-person events नहीं हो रहे हैं, लेकिन आपने आईसीसी का जो वो एक मिशन है वो वो आपने पूरा एक पकड़ के रखा हुआ है. Every other day I open Facebook and I'm like, oh my gosh, आज आप ये कर रहे हो, आज आप यहाँ मास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर रहे हो. So आप इतना कुछ कर रहे हो. Please tell us about how you've been doing all these mass distribution for first responders and so many elected officials you've visited and given them donated masks. Tell us about that.
Yes, Vanshika, as we all know that, COVID-19 has impacted all of us, in a significant manner. हम लोग, सब लोग घर बैठे हुए हैं इतने महीनों से. So, I mean, Harris County, अभी मैंने को देखा था कि Harris County has almost 44,000 confirmed cases today. And almost 2,000 cases yesterday, every day basis में करो तो. And just in Harris County, and I was really, I was feeling that this is such a difficult and unimaginable time. One thing is certain. उससे एक चीज हमको लोगों को सबको पता है कि हम लोग connected हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. No matter where we are and no matter who we are connected. So, and then second thing हम लोग कहती हूँ कि COVID-19 की वजह से the kids are adjusting to distance learning and we are adjusting to living under the same roof again, सब बच्चे इकट्ठे. So there are some positive and some negative. But एक चीज बहुत important है that the masks, which I see the mask helps the slow transmission of virus and it protects other people from the infected person, and it can save lives. And quite frankly, it's a sign of respect we give to each other. So I was thinking that mask is something which we can contribute to the community, and so many organizations are doing great work in their space. But we are so glad that we are also contributing towards this effort. And we are building bridges and serving all the communities by donating, thousands of masks to city council members of District A and Amy Pack, District B, Council Member Jerry Davis, and District F, Council Member Tiffany Thomas, and also City of Stafford Council Member Elise Chen and Council Member Ken Matthew, to serve fire department. And we donated masks to Fort Bend County in collaboration with our ICC partnering organization, North South Foundation. So we also delivered food for few Houston Police Department for a few days. Wow. So, I mean, I am so glad that we are building relations with these people, as well as we are actually serving the whole community for different areas of Houston, Stafford and Fort Bend counties and Harris County. So we are actually spreading our wings. So ICC is spreading its wings. So, I mean, in collaboration with, all those ICC organizations, partnering organizations, and we are going to be doing it in August or September also with India House.
Wonderful.
In upcoming months. So it looks like that COVID is staying here for a while, so we need to do this, and we need to just keep on working on it and to distribute as many as masks we can. And we'll be continue to do this, for coming months.
Wonderful. Congratulations for all of this, Jasmeeta ji. Keep doing this wonderful work to you, to your entire team, everybody at ICC. We are just honored to, get, I personally get motivated when I see your post, and being a social media bug, I can tell you one thing. You have made India Culture Center very socially active. So that is very important in today's time. हर रोज एक post होता है updating the community. So that's great. Keep going on that. And ever since I've known you, and I've known you for a long time, आप हमेशा community के लिए करते हैं, and especially आप एक चीज़ हमेशा करते हैं, promoting women empowerment.
Yes.
So, and you were discussing recently about Women's Club. Would you like to throw some light on that?
Sure. So actually, ICC are doing several projects. The ICC is doing, history project, to preserve the history of ICC. And ICC is doing, we have created a new website, very exciting, a new website, so people can, we can just put the traffic, towards ICC also.
Ji.
So, and the other thing is, I knew that if you want to create awareness of any organization, you need to extend the family, right?
Ji.
So we decided to bring 2 new clubs and, Women's Club, ICC Women's Club and ICC Youth Club. And we are also bringing leadership conference to organize social seminars, discussion panels, inviting experts in various areas to share their expertise. So Women's Club में क्या है कि I am really passionate about empowering women. You're very right. हमने एक बारी Mrs. India जो आई थी यहाँ पर, हमने India House में we actually did the show, fashion show to empower the women.
जी.
So women should feel confident and then जिनको मतलब अच्छा लगता है, there's a lot of talent out there. So the mission of this women club will be to promote, develop, and support the talents of women. Okay, and we all women should empower each other. That's मेरा first होता है कि हम लोग women अपने आप को promote करते हैं हम लोग, but it is very important to empower other women also. So and grow more talent in other. अगर तुम्हारे अंदर कोई talent है तो उसके किसी के साथ share करो. अपने अंदर और अपने आप को promote करना is not the only thing. You should share that talent with other women also. So we do require for this club, we do require specific talent and some talented women, motivated women, progressive, dedicated, bold women in our organization. So we can support and encourage each other and help other like-minded women in our community to grow. So मेरा तो यही हमेशा होता है कि it is हम लोग अपने areas में we are just sitting down and we are doing the shows for ourselves, but we need to do the networking. We need to share that talent with each other, okay? And take the leadership roles. There is so much out in our women, but उनको कोई platform नहीं मिलता to grow their talent. So हम लोग ICC लोग, we are going to give them the platform to to increase their talent and then get awards for your significant roles in this club. क्योंकि important है, अगर हम लोग recognize नहीं करेंगे किसी का टैलेंट को और रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करेंगे उनकी नेसेसिटीज को तो क्या फायदा, राइट? So we give awards for their significant roles in this club also. We will celebrate Women's Festival, which will be coordinated by women and for the women, like करवा चौथ हो गया, काफी होती हैं different जो कि women की होती हैं festivals होते हैं. तो हम चाहते हैं कि women एक दूसरे के close आए, relations बनाए, उनको कोई safety की classes देंगे. We are going to give a lot of educational counseling. कुछ भी चाहिए होगा तो we will provide those things to them. And we'll be introducing women of substance in this club basically for the growth of women. So मैं सबको ये कह रही हूँ जो भी सुन रहा है, so please join ICC Women's Club and fees तो आपको जब आप हमारे नए website में जाएंगे, you'll be able to see what is a very nominal fee for any for all those the services we are going to be providing through Women's Club. And I would love to talk about a little bit about Youth Club also, because ladies के बच्चे भी होते हैं, they want some kind of platform also. So I would say that we cannot always build the future for our youth, right, Vanshika? But we can build our youth for the future. ठीक है? क्या कहते हो आप?
बिल्कुल, absolutely.
Right? तो इसीलिए हमने ये यूथ क्लब इसलिए बनाया क्योंकि we the mission का यूथ क्लब का जो मिशन होगा ना, that is to empower Indo-American youth by developing their leadership skills, right? बच्चों के जो leadership skills होते हैं, 8 साल का बच्चा, मैंने उस दिन सुपर स्टार के लिए इंटरव्यू के लिए गई थी, it was a NTV super show, so superstar show, so I saw that say 8 years old लड़की के अंदर जितना talent था ना, I would just love to give that kid a platform to do something.
They need to be challenged in the right direction. I mean, channeled, sorry.
Right, exactly. तो तभी करके मुझे ये हुआ कि हमको ICC यूथ क्लब होना चाहिए. We want the children to understand how to help raise awareness also about an issue जो उनके friends हैं, family है, community है, वो affect हो रही है. वो भी उनको समझ आनी चाहिए. क्योंकि आजकल के यूथ तो थोड़े से वो केयर फ्री होते हैं, वो अपने डांस गाने शो और अपने टीवी में और फोन पे लगे रहते हैं. So we need to give them some value to it, right?
Absolutely.
So
how can they be a part of like how can people connect with you to be a part of ICC or Women's Club or Youth Club?
So I have the very good. We have a website.
Okay.
You go over there. ICCHouston.org. No. ICCHoustonTX.org.
Okay.
तो अगर आप उसमें जाते तो उसमें ना हर तरह के क्लब का वी हैव अ लिंक.
Okay.
So you just press that link. It's very simple. हमने easy to use website बनाई है. So if you just click this and then you will fill up the application and it'll come to us, and then we will, make sure that they get all the notification when are we going to do the meeting, how to plan. What they have to do is they will. I don't know if कितनी mothers सुन रहे हैं, बच्चे सुन रहे हैं इस वक्त, but it is very important that they need to know how to plan the event, how to arrange the budget, raise funds for the event, sell the tickets, show the talent, make the timeline, how to organize the agenda for the meeting.
Sure.
And these kids it has the potential. These kids have potential. Why not use that potential to build our community, right?
Absolutely, Jasmeeta ji, and all of these are great initiative for the future of our community, and that's one thing ICC has always stood for the community. And thank you so much. आप इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं community के लिए. More power to you. Even for women empowerment. And like Jasmeeta ji said to all our listeners, do visit ICCHoustonTX.org to become a part of ICC, the different clubs, and you can always in future get in touch with Jasmeeta ji directly. Follow their Facebook page, India Culture Center Houston, and follow their Instagram page, and always get in touch with her for all the further details.
The बढ़िया thing ये है कि we have July and August. We have a free membership. We
Okay.
are giving free membership to the youth and the youngsters. So if they want to just go ahead and apply right now, they will get into that quickly.
Wonderful.
And and I have for you guys, you should, if you like, Sandeep ji knows that he always plays Bhangra group and all that. So we have, Bhangra, that Zumba workshops going on.
Ji.
So
Nice.
today is our Zumba workshop, and we are going to be doing more Bhangra workshops also. We have a Latin and jazz, Bollywood, Kathak, all these workshops which are coming up in future. Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you, Jasmeeta ji. Thank you so much. Again, everyone, it is ICCHoustonTX.org. Get in touch and be a part. And there's so many things they are providing for you. So don't miss out on this opportunity. And Jasmeeta ji, thank you so much for taking out time and coming on air and talking with Deep and me, and to all our listeners on Namaste Radio.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Stay
much.
safe.
From the whole ICC team. Thank you.
Thank you.
आप सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो, मॉडर्न इंडियन रेडियो.
AM 1050 KCHN, Brookshire, Houston.
Let's go! Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip,